Welcome back, everybody. We have an update for you in the case of Jeffrey Epstein, the infamous financier who was arrested and charged with sex trafficking and sex trafficking conspiracy. A federal judge in New York has just ordered that Mr. Epstein be held without bail. He is not going free. So this is an interesting development right here. He's going to remain in lockup until pending trial. So it seems that the judge agreed with the prosecution here that he is a flight risk, that he has the resources, but maybe that he also could improperly taint this investigation. What do you think about this?
I think the judge made the right decision. Generally, they're looking at whether or not there's a flight risk, and they're also looking at whether or not there's harm to society and whether or not he could tamper any witnesses. And I think here, there are so many reasons to say he needs to stay in jail.
But here on Law and Crime, actually on lawandcrime.com, we have an article up about the 9 reasons that the defense laid out for why he should have been released. And one of them is that there's other sex traffickers or accused sex traffickers who have been let out, that in fact he has complied with the conditions of him being a sex offender, because he had to register as one, and also that he had a co-signer. He could have had a co-signer from his brother, and that any allegations that he would taint this investigation of this case is completely unfounded. The judge didn't buy that.
The judge did not buy that. In fact, the judge was looking at the 15 years that he had gone without committing another crime, and it didn't matter to him. He had read research that said sometimes these sex offenders do go back and commit crimes. So I think the judge was looking at the overall benefit for society.
So now, is there any chance that this could be reversed, or is he just going to now spend the rest of his time in jail pending a trial? I mean, does this ever get reversed?
Well, they could appeal the decision, but I don't think it will get reversed. I think the judge made the decision based on very sound grounds.
Okay, well, he's going to be held in lockup. And again, these are crimes that carry with it up to 45 years in prison. And for a man of Epstein's age, that would effectively be a life sentence. We'll bring you more once we have it. Let's take a break. When we come back, we'll jump live in Rosenbaum.